Welcome to your ROOMIE hotel. We will be showing you how to use the live chat feature on your ROOMIE app. On your browser, go to tools.roomie.my and log in. To view chats from your hotel guests, click Guest Engagement. You can see the room number, request time, response time, the device number used, chat incoming indicator, and status. To respond to a message, simply click on the message. Type in your reply and press Send. The grey status bar indicates that the message has been responded to. You can also respond to room service orders through live chat. Click on the room service request link in the message to open the order panel. You can confirm or cancel the order by clicking here and click the check mark. Guest engagement just got better with ROOMIE.
ROOMIE, your hotel buddy.